We are going Kannur to celebrate our friend's birthday. Our journey began before sunrise at 5 a.m. when Bengaluru was still wrapped in quiet chill of winter. With hot coffee in hand and a long adventure ahead, we hit the Bengaluru-Mysuru highway. Cruising along the Bengaluru-Mysuru highway, the early morning vibe felt perfect for a long drive.
Palm trees swaying with the ocean as my guide. Top down riding, let the West Coast vibes collide. Corner store stops, grab a drink, it's all good. Cruising through the streets of my neighborhood. Hey yo, West Coast weather, the sun sets slow. Chilling with
The empty roads, cold breeze, and slow transition from darkness to the first light of the day created perfect start to our trip. That early morning highway vibe is something every road trip lover understands. Peaceful, refreshing, and full of anticipation.
with the homies, let that talk box glow. Barbecues and palm trees, vibe real tight. Retro beats bump beneath the moon tonight. Cali breeze blowing, let the funk take the floor.
A few hours into the drive, hunger kicked in, so we halted at Kurg Gate restaurant. A good breakfast, a bit of stretching, and some laughter later, we were back on the road. As we continued, the moment we crossed into Kerala, the change was instantly noticeable. Those famously flawless roads and lush surroundings that truly justify the name God's own country.
Floor, some so smooth, leave them shouting for more. Beach chair chilling, toes dug in.
We reached Kannur and checked into our stay, which was right next to the beach.
West Coast, where the sun sets gold. Cruising past the waves, feel that rhythm unfold. Beach fronts to backyard, parties in sight. Under neon skies that light up the night. Yo, hit the boulevard, hit a tire screech. Soundtrack of the streets, with that funkin' reach. Got my shades on, keeping it classy, not fast. Rolling like a 79, we're built to outlast. Hey yo, West Coast, let's groove till we drop. Souls keep singing, let the bass lop. BBQs to moonlit tides, we shine bright.
Imagine stepping out and seeing the ocean just a few steps away. That's exactly how it was.
We're built to outlast. Hey yo, West Coast, let's groove till we drop. Souls keep singing, let the bass lop. BBQs to moonlit.
We spent 2 peaceful days there, enjoying the waves, sunsets, and slow pace of coastal life.
Some so smooth, leave them shouting for more. Beach chair chilling, toes dug in the sand. With that bass line grooving, life feels so grand. Ayo, West Coast, where the sun sets gold. Cruising past the waves, feel that.
After Kannur, our next journey was Kurg. But wait, there's still so much more to share from this trip, and I'll continue the story in my next video. Until then, stay tuned and make sure to follow my channel. Bye bye.
West Coast weather, the sun sets